All right, to clean out the filter on a backpack vacuum, what you're gonna do, take the vacuum off the wall so you can access the tank. There's a button on the top right here. Push that button and this tank should slide right out. Then you can take it to a trash can and you open it up. You want to remove the filter here from the top. After you take this lid off, there's a little tab right here. Pull up on it and there's your filter. This one's not too dirty, but we're going to clean it anyway just so you see how. Once you get the filter out, make sure you don't get dust everywhere. Set it aside. You also need to remove this inner tank here. It can be helpful to empty the vacuum by opening the bottom. When you open the bottom, it should fall open so you can dump the stuff out. Then you can push from the bottom side on the tube right here, and this whole thing comes out of the top. When you pull this out, it's probably going to be pretty dirty. Again, this one's pretty clean. Just going to shake it out a little bit in there. Set your tank aside, and then you want to take this piece and this piece. You want to come to the graphics department or anywhere where you can get an air hose outside. You're going to pull your air hose and you're going to take it outside. All right, once you get outside, make sure you go at least 10 feet from the building. If there's a door you can easily close, make sure you close the door so that you don't get dust in. You're going to take your air hose and clean the filter. All you got to do is blow. You want to go from the top side first because most of it collects going this direction, but then some will be stuck in here. So once you've done a good job on the top side, flip it over. Make sure you get in all the little cracks really good. Once you're done with that piece, this piece will go a lot faster. Just give it a quick spray off. Make sure you get all these holes really, really well if anything's clogged in that. Simple. Then you can go back in and reassemble. All right, so once you got your pieces clean, come back in, take your main canister, close the bottom up. Then you're gonna take your barrel piece and put it in. You'll notice on the barrel, there's two tabs here. These need to line up with the two holes right here. And this is cut at an angle. So one side of this is higher. This is also cut at an angle. So you gotta make sure the high side matches up with the high side. So when you put it in, it matches perfectly all the way around. Then your filter, tab side up, just pushes down on. And then you take your cap here, again, angle cut. So make sure you get high side to high side, match up the tabs, and that just pushes right down on there. And then you can slide this back into your vacuum and you're good to go. And that's how you clean out the filter. Woo! Make sure that you do that once a week, every Friday.